हमारे पास काफी गेस्ट आ चुके हैं. So I will request to Edmund just to introduce how many participants are here. So over to Edmund.
Currently, we have 47 participants.
Oh.
Okay, I'll start with the names that I see on the list. We have PDG Anthony Richards. We have PDG Mir Arif Ali. We have Asma Bukhari, Aurangzeb Malik, Trustee Aziz Mehman, DGE District 3150, NV Hanmat, DGE Subhash Chatterjee, District 3240.
Harshi.
Then we have Mr. Ranveer Reddy, Mr. Raj Kumar, PDG Sajid Bhatti. We have PDG Shazad Ahmed. And from District 3040, we have DGE Gajendra Narang. Continue.
चले जी, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. मैं तमाम अपनी ज़ूम मीटिंग में तमाम दोस्तों को वेलकम कहता हूँ. I welcome all participants of our Zoom meeting number 18. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome everybody on Zoom number 8, on Zoom meeting number 8. Tonight we have a guest speaker meeting. Our guest speaker is Rotary International Director nominee R.D. Ravi Badmani. I think I wait. So today our Badmani of District 3150. Today subject is Rotary's public image. Public image is one of the focus area of Rotary. Rotary and Rotary International main emphasis is to enhance the public image of Rotary around the world. Our district 3272 consists of 2,000 Rotarian and 150 clubs. And similarly with the 3271, another district, who have worked a lot on the enhancement of public image, Rotary public image in our community in the last 2 years. But I have invited an experienced Rotarian to share his experience and also advise us how to enhance the public image in Pakistan. I do not want to speak on this subject as I would like him to advise first, and then during the question answer session, we shall share our views. Now, I request PDG Anthony Richard for the welcome address as RI Director nominee Ravi was the RIPR at PDG Anthony's conference in 2013. I welcome and over to Anthony Richard.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this session today. This is a very auspicious and celebratory occasion. As you know, it's the 19th of April. It is the birthday of our founder, Paul P. Harris. There could not have been a better day for a session like this. It is a celebration of a person who is actually the reason why we are together today, that he actually founded Rotary in 1905, and this is the platform that gets us together. So on this auspicious occasion, welcome. Welcome to RI Director nominee Ravi. A district governor will remember two persons always in his life. One, the RI president of his year, and the second is the RI president's personal representative. You might remember a lot of other people, but the two people that are really always there in the mind is the person who was the RI president, and in my year, it was Sakuji Tanaka, and the RIPR was none other than the illustrious person we have today, RI Director nominee Ravi. Ravi will definitely, you can say, enchant you with the speech. I remember him because he wrote me a note when he was coming to the conference, and he said, Anthony, what do you expect of me and what can I do? And I wrote back to him and I said, the foundation is something very important, PDG Ravi, at that time, and anything you can do to assist will be fantastic. And he came so prepared that with all the ideas that he had, that till today, the 140 Paul Harris that we made because of his advice and because of his support is something that I will always remember, Ravi. And Ravi and Raji, they will remain for me. I met them a number of times after that and at Lisbon, but definitely the the person who at that time and today he is the RI Director nominee. It shows that the Rotary spirit is there. I still have the Char Minar he gave me. It's there in my house as a remembrance. But most of all, of course, his lovely face and his gracious wife, their being there was something that I can always cherish. And over to DJ and Tazim. Welcome, Ravi. Welcome for all the great things you will do as a director nominee. But definitely for me, as RPR, somebody I will always remember and cherish. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Anthony Richard. And I also welcome my batchmate. I have so many batchmates here. I can see Subhash Jain from District 3240. I can see Gajinder Singh from 3240. And I can see Awais Kwari from 3271. And so many rotations. Now, introduction of our chief guest.
Governor Ravi Vadlamani, a chartered accountant by profession, partner in leading firm of chartered accountants, Uma Maheshwar Rao and Company. He was the regional council member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. A senior governor in the year 2001-2002. As governor, was adjudged the best governor in the entire world. Was awarded the Golden Globe at Barcelona, Spain International Convention. As district governor, collected the highest amount for the Rotary Foundation in zones 4, 5 and 6. He's an endowment and major gift advisor, Zone 5, for 4 years, 2013 to 2017. International Training Leader, 2014. Member of Audit Committee, Rotary International and the Rotary Foundation for 6 years, from 2013 to 2019. Currently, is the Vice Chairman of the Audit Committee. A facilitator for RRFCs and EMGAs for 2 years. His spouse, PDG Rajalakshmi, is an accomplished past governor. She is also an international training leader, recipient of the Service Above Self Award, the Regional Polio Free Award, and Citation for Meritorious Service Award, and Distinguished Service Award. The couple are members of the Arch Clumb Society. PDG Ravi Vadlamani received the Service Above Self Award from Rotary International, the Citation for Meritorious Service Award from the Rotary Foundation, the Distinguished Service Award by the Rotary Foundation, and the Regional Polio Free Award by the Rotary Foundation. He was the chairman of a very successful Zone Institute, Namaste Hyderabad. Also in the core committee of several institutes and literacy conferences, and chairman of Lakshya, the training meeting for governors-elect. Also, the governors-elect training leader at Dubai Zone Institute. He was awarded honorary doctorate for service by Acharya Nagarjuna University. Ravi is passionate to do good in the world through the Rotary Foundation. He has monitored and implemented several large projects like providing more than 100,000 school desks, several hundred sanitation blocks and group washing stations in schools, more than 10,000 handwells in thousands of villages, 500 reverse osmosis plants in villages, more than 1,000 open wells, hundreds of irrigation wells, several lift irrigation schemes to provide water for the farmer. He has also provided 50 mini protected water schemes and 50 overhead reservoirs in villages, provided more than 10,000 sewing machines for the underprivileged women, provided more than 10,000 tricycles, and provided thousands of milk cattle. During the tsunami, he has provided thousands of boats and constructed more than 30 school buildings. He has also built 1,000 houses for the poor. Ravi started his Rotary journey as a RILA participant in the year 1973. He went as a GSE team leader in 1989 to Atlanta, USA. He served as a Rotrac president in the year 1978, a faculty member of the International RILA. He has attended 18 Rotary International conventions and chaired several breakout sessions at these conventions. He has addressed several international conferences in USA, Australia, UK, and Finland. He has attended 18 Zone Institutes and 10 International Institutes. He is an accomplished speaker and has addressed several hundreds of district seminars, training events, conferences, and assemblies. He has represented Rotary International President several times, including at Lahore and Finland. He was in the Rotary International Committees from 2002 continuously. He is a past president of Roundtable India. He is the chairman of Indian Red Cross Guntur branch. He has been honored with 13 gold medals in various years by governors of Andhra Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome past District Governor Ravi Vadlamani.
Welcome, sir, welcome. So I invite
Thank you.
PDG Ravi Baldo. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bhaiya, I can speak.
Yeah, you can speak, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me, Tajim Bhaiya. I can see my old friends. Anthony is here. Thank you, Anthony, for those remarks. Lovely remarks. I cherish my visit. Raji and me really cherish our visit to Pakistan, Lahore and Karachi. And I was told that my great friend Aziz is also here. If somebody can put a spotlight on Aziz, I'll say hello to him.
Aziz को खोलो.
Aziz इधर है?
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
Yes,
Aziz is here. Okay. Say hello to him.
Ravi.
And I had the
Ravi,
Aziz
I
Bhaiya,
just came
namaskar.
to Ravi, I just came to welcome you, and it's a pleasure to see you. And my best wishes to you and to Raji.
I can see my friend Mir is also here. Mir, namaskar. Salam alaikum. मैं आपके अभी governor was asking me to speak about public image. Public image is my favorite subject. I Rotary International, when even before it started talking about public image, when I was a governor in 2000, I started talking about branding and image building. So I thank governor for giving me this opportunity to share some of my thoughts. मगर
Thank
वो
you.
बोला उर्दू में बात करना है, बोला हमारा उर्दू है, हैदराबादी उर्दू है, हैदराबादी हिंदी है, ये ऑटो वाला हिंदी है, आपके अच्छा नहीं होता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है हिंदी. So I try and do my conversation in थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी में बात करता है और इंग्लिश में बात
It's
करता
okay,
है.
you talk in English, sir.
आप इजाजत दिया तो मैं ऐसा बात करता है.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
मेरा एक ही है. I was thinking of a beautiful song in दिल से, शाहरुख खान का फिल्म में एक सॉन्ग है, वो जो वो यारी है खुशबू की तरह, वो उर्दू है, जुबान है उर्दू की तरह बोल के दिल से में है. बहुत अच्छा गाना है, मेरा फेवरेट गाना है. आप तो खुशबू तरफ यार है हमारा, और आपका जुबान उर्दू की तरफ है. वो दोनों हमको नहीं आते, उर्दू नहीं आते, मगर मैं जरूर बिफोर बिकमिंग ए डायरेक्टर ये 3 महीने में मैं उर्दू सीखूंगा. मेरा एंटोनी का कॉन्फ्रेंस थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी उर्दू बात किया. But before I talk about public image, I must tell you that public image and branding is all about you and every Rotarian. There are 2 kinds of things that an image can happen. Image and public image will happen because of everybody's action. And today I want to talk to you and tell you that each one of us should become a brand ambassador for Rotary International. Everybody should understand public relations, and each one of us should have a story for public image. Each one of you should have your own Rotary story. आपका लंबी सफर में, हमारा लंबी सफर में बहुत सारे कहानियां हैं रोटरी का. ये कहानियां आप 2 मिनट में, 1 मिनट में you have to learn and try and tell them. अब आपको एक क्वेश्चन आए तो रोटरी क्या है बोल के आपका दोस्त पूछे तो आप 30 सेकंड्स में रोटरी का स्टोरी बोलना है. ये जरूर सीखना है सब रोटेरियंस. ये पहला मैसेज है हमारा. मैं इमेज बिल्डिंग को बातचीत करता हूँ, मगर ये बातचीत करने के पहले हर रोटेरियन का काम है, ये रोटरी का यू मस्ट लर्न इन द 30 सेकंड्स और 60 सेकंड्स में व्हाट इज रोटरी का स्पीच. आपका स्पीच देना है. हमारा बहुत सारे स्पीचेस है रोटरी का. I was telling my friend Anthony's conference, मैं by chest हिंदू हूँ, मैं हिंदू हूँ, मैं हमारा रिलीजन है हिंदू है, मगर मेरा डॉटर मैरिड ए मुस्लिम बॉय. उसका नाम है मजहर अहमद. आपका नाम भी अहमद है भैया, और उसका नाम भी अहमद है. और वो शादी हम बहुत शानदार से किया. मैं निकाह किया, 6000 लोग आया और बहुत शानदार से किया, क्योंकि मैं नहीं सोचा ये मुस्लिम है, ये हिंदू है. ये सब हम मिलजुल के ये रोटरी है. ये रोटरी हैज गिवन मी दैट स्ट्रेंथ. हम यूनिवर्सल बाई है बोल के रोटरी हैज गिवन मी दैट स्ट्रेंथ. एंड मैं एक ही बात बोलता हूँ आप सबको. आप सब ने इंग्लिश में आपका दामाद को सन इन लॉ कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में को सन इन लॉ कहते हैं, मगर मैं मेरा मजहर को सन गिवन बाय अल्लाह कहते हैं. वो मेरा बेटा है. ये सब रोटरी ने किया, रोटरी ने दिया हमका वो ताकत. ये सब आपके लिए भी आपका जर्नी में एक स्टोरी होता है, वो स्टोरी पकड़ना है, वो पर्सनल स्टोरी पकड़ना है. वो इमेज बिल्डिंग का पहले वाई इमेज बिल्डिंग. ये रोटरी में वाई शुड वी हैव इमेज बिल्डिंग, वाई शुड वी हैव ब्रांडिंग. ब्रांडिंग कैसा होना है, इमेज बिल्डिंग कैसा होना है, काइकू होना है बोल के. ये काइकू हैदराबादी का वर्ड है, क्योंकि बोलता है. क्यों होना है? क्यों होना है? ये ब्रांडिंग बोला, इमेज बिल्डिंग क्यों होना है? क्यों? If you have image and if Rotary is identified with our core values of service and fellowship and integrity,
अपना फोन दो,
leadership,
लाइट कर।
आप देख सकते हैं हमको?
जी जी, ओके, कैरी ऑन मीट द वन।
ओके, आप रोटरी का कोर वैल्यूज ऑफ सर्विस, इंटीग्रिटी, फेलोशिप एंड फेलोशिप, ये कोर वैल्यूज को आप ब्रांड करें तो वो ब्रांड है रोटरी व्हील। आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स ऑल्सो, व्हाट इज रोटरी, आप पब्लिक को जाके पूछे तो वो नहीं बोल सकता। आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स, 117 years of Rotary, शिकागो में भी नहीं बोल सकता। इवेंस्टन में हमारा हेडक्वार्टर्स है, उधर हेडक्वार्टर्स के सामने होटल को जाके, भैया आपको रोटरी मालूम है? रोटरी नहीं मालूम है। आई हैव आस्क्ड इन आवर ओल्ड बिल्डिंग, रोटरी का बिल्डिंग है, 18 फ्लोर्स का बिल्डिंग है, उसमें टेनेंट्स है, बहुत सारे टेनेंट्स है, आप ओनर है रोटरी, उसको जाके मैं पूछा आपको रोटरी मालूम है? नहीं मालूम है। सो ये सब लोगों को रोटरी का कोर वैल्यूज हम बताना है, हम सब मिलके बताना है। ये इमेज बिल्डिंग ऐसा ही नहीं होता, हमारा पास बहुत बजट नहीं है। ये कोलगेट और कोको कोला और पेप्सी और आपका चाय और या मिल्क आपका ब्रांड्स है, व्हाटएवर ब्रांड्स आप पाकिस्तान में है, वो सब बहुत सारे पैसा खर्चा करता है इमेज बिल्डिंग के लिए। रोटरी के पास उतना पैसा नहीं है। सो देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ बिल्डिंग इमेज फॉर रोटरी। वन is individual action by each one of you and every club. Two, by centralized action by Rotary International. ये दोनों मिलजुल के, दोनों एक्शन मिलजुल के हम इमेज बिल्ड करना है। ये इमेज बिल्डिंग ये 15 साल से 10 साल से शुरू हो गया, क्योंकि इमेज हुआ तो मोर मेंबर्स आएगा, इमेज हुआ तो फंड्स मोर आएगा, इमेज हुआ तो मोर फेलोशिप होगा, इमेज हुआ तो मोर सर्विस होगा, और मोर सर्विस हुआ तो मोर मेंबर्स आएगा, और मोर मेंबर्स आए तो मोर इमेज होगा। ये सब एक साइकिल है। So if you want to build a public image, my friends, we have to individually contribute for image building. So there are many methods. One is each one of you should become a brand ambassador. Two, you must, each one of you should tell a story of Rotary. Rotary हमारा लंबा सफर है, हमारा रोटरी में 40 साल का सफर है। 40 साल का सफर में हमारा पास बहुत स्टोरी है रोटरी का स्टोरी। ये रोटरी का स्टोरी प्रोग्राम को लिंक करना, पहले स्टोरी का व्हाट, ए पंच you must identify what is it you want to convey. Second element is when did it happen and where did it happen and why and how. ये हाउ में आप लिंक करना है रोटरी के लिए। ये स्टोरी टेलिंग का एक 5 एलिमेंट्स है, व्हाट, व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर एंड हाउ। आप ये 5 एलिमेंट्स को दिमाग में रख के यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू बिल्ड ए स्टोरी। हमारा पास बहुत सारे स्टोरी है। मेरा बीवी बोलते हैं आप, बीवी राजी है, ऑल्सो ए पास्ट गवर्नर। हम दोनों रोटैक में मिला, हम दोनों राइला प्रोग्राम में मिला। सो हमारा पास देयर इज अ लवली स्टोरी वेयर वी मेट। सो राइला प्रोग्राम आपको मालूम है, रोटरी यूथ लीडरशिप अवार्ड, रोटरैक्ट आपको मालूम है, आप यूथ प्रोग्राम में, ये दोनों प्रोग्राम में हम मिला, राजी एंड मी वी मेट। So what happened, I was a participant in Raila program in 1973. In 1973, I went as a Raila participant. So, and in that program of 4 days, I was the best delegate. So when you are the best delegate, you address several clubs. I तो सीखा, leadership सीखा, communication सीखा, public speaking सीखा, group dynamics सीखा, team management सीखा, ये सब मैं राइला प्रोग्राम में सीखा। When I was a best delegate, I was invited as a faculty in 1977. 77 में my faculty को I went as public speaking. अभी आप सबको public speaking मालूम है, Rotarians को public speaking में rules होता है. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. पहले speech देना है तो prepare करना है. और दूसरा है establish eye contact with the audience. Audience को eye contact वो क्या बोलता है, आंख मिलना है. सब audience से आंख मिलना है. ये Zoom में नहीं होता है, मगर रियल लाइफ में हो सकता है. मैं ये बोल रहा है और मेरे सामने राजी है, उसका तो स्लिम है, डार्क है, ब्यूटीफुल है, लॉन्ग आईब्रोज है और मेरे आंख में आंख डाल के आंख मिला है. तब आंख मिल के वो we got the eyes together and we married. So रोटरी ने हमको हमारा बीबी भी दिया, रैला प्रोग्राम ने हमको बीबी भी दिया. So ये तो एक स्टोरी है, मगर ये स्टोरी में रोटरी का लीडरशिप है, रैला है, रोट्रैक है. ऐसा एक स्टोरी बनाना आपका लाइफ का, रोटरी का. इस अब सब जाके you have to think like that. So the first step to build an image as a Rotarian is to prepare a Rotary speech, and the second step is to build up a Rotary story. They don't know what you have to do. Now there are several other instances I can tell you. Once you have a powerful image of Rotary, a Rotary ka brand acha hai to what will happen? Now in tsunami, during tsunami days, we had a friend from Australia, and she sent me a container of water bottles. She wanted to send me a container of water bottles. So I said, why do you want me to send this container of water bottles? She said, please give this to tsunami victims. Oh, mineral water bottle. Then I told her, no. Abhi, if I go and give these mineral water bottles to tsunami victims, it won't look good. Then she said, no, we have already collected them. So I said, no, you sell and send me the dollars. I will prepare bore wells and open wells here. Then she said, how can I sell one container mineral water bottles? I said, you won't sell, I won't sell. A Rotary ka brand will sell. So I said, you please put a poster behind the water bottles saying that the proceeds will go to Rotary benefits at India and anybody can buy. Imagine, friends, we have collected, the Australians have collected those days $3 lakh by selling water bottles. This is the power of giving a brand to your Rotary image. So, if you create an image, Rotary will always be powerful, and the magic of Rotary and the power of Rotary you can easily understand. So, how do we develop a brand on a centralized level? How do we do it at a central level? Rotary International is doing so many things, my friends, on to develop image building. One is our huge campaign in what we call as the Rotary People of Action campaign. The Rotary is now have as a unified message, a compelling message, a humanitarian message, and if you have this, so Rotary People of Action is the message that Rotary International is doing. Rotary People of Action, each one of you should follow. And I would encourage you to put Rotary People of Action in all the public image buildings so that the message will be uniform. It will also convey that Rotary consists of Rotarians who are people of action. So this Rotary People of Action campaign, is now a centralized campaign. Rotary International will give you a lot of inputs on how to create Rotary People of Action. So I would encourage every Rotarian, aap sab miljul ke, the Rotary People of Action ko you have to do. There is also now all your success stories, aap sabka Rotary success stories, Rotary showcase mein jaake, you can do these success stories. Encourage each one of you to understand that you must, every club president must do the image and branding in the Rotary Showcase. That will enable you to understand and Rotary International to understand what Rotary is doing in Pakistan. One of our biggest success stories, my friends, is the End Polio Now campaign. You all know how we have been successful in building up the End Polio Now campaign. हमारा दोस्त अजीज है अब पाकिस्तान में, and he's done some excellent work in the polio immunization. हमारा End Polio Now campaign, that we are this close to end polio, is one of our biggest branding exercises, because we have a cause and we have a cause related celebrity. हमारा देश में अमिताभ बच्चन आया और AR रहमान आया, आपको मालूम है, ये सब आके हमको they have given the celebrity endorsement that we are this close to end polio. You can do image building by celebrity endorsement. You can ask your local leaders, you can ask your local cricketers, you can ask your local celebrities, you can ask your local film actors, all to do this image building and for a cause of end polio now. हम सबको मालूम है अभी पाकिस्तान में पोलियो है, and Pakistan has to end polio so that the world will be polio free. So हम सबको I'm requesting each one of you to try and build up image building for the cause of polio. आप पोलियो को rally कर सकता है. Polio, we have done a beautiful rally in my hometown last time with 20,000 road tractors. 20,000 road tractors सब मिलके वो लाल वाला टी-शर्ट बन के एंड पोलियो नाउ डाल के we have done a beautiful polio rally. आप ऐसा image build भी कर सकते हैं. This is another way of building image building, but we have to ensure that every Rotary club, every Rotarian builds up image, because unless we have a positive image, unless we have a better image, unless we have a bigger image, Rotary cannot grow and thrive, and our strategic mission of expanding the reach of Rotary cannot be achieved. So I would encourage every Rotarian to think creatively. Innovation image building में creative भी करना है. You have to, as I told you, prepare not only the 30 seconds, 60 seconds speeches, but video films करना है. Social media is now the biggest tool to encourage image building. Everybody first should have a Facebook account. Second, each one of you should post one Rotary message every day. 3, you must have on Instagram, put one Rotary photograph every day. ये सब आप कर सकता है. ये individual action है. ये LinkedIn में जा सकता है, Instagram में जा सकता है, YouTube चैनल कर सकता है. हमारा एक YouTube चैनल है, डॉक्टर रवि. So आप वेबसाइट कर सकता है. ये सब सोशल मीडिया आप कर सकते हैं. ये इंडिविजुअल एक्शन है, क्लब्स का एक्शन है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एक्शन है. But with these actions, you can reach out to the public. Imagine if each one of us has 5,000 friends in the Facebook. That is the maximum we can have. And everybody posts one Rotary message. हम करता है. I do some Rotary message 7 साल से कर रहा है. आप हमारा दोस्त है तो Facebook में you will know that every day I post one picture on Rotary. कोई whatever you can do it. अभी individual action करना है. सर्विस में हम individual action करता है. Membership में we do individual action. मगर ये public relations में हमारा नहीं. ये हमारा गवर्नर का काम है, हमारा Rotary International का काम है. You have to forget that, friends. I want every Rotarian, every Rotary leader, every club, every president to own public relations, to understand public relations. Each one of you should become a spokesperson for Rotary. आप Rotary का भाषण देना है तो 1 minute में, TV में 30 seconds में, you must be prepared to give that spot on what is Rotary. So I would encourage each one of you to apply your creativity. Think about image building. Think about publicity. Think about Rotary. then only the image of Rotary will improve because of what we call as the collective action locally. A collective action is more powerful than a centralized action. Remember, I told you we do not have the budget. We do not have a budget. Budget है नहीं है हमारा पास. So इसलिए every Rotarian should involve himself in image building, and every Rotarian should do his bit to do public relations. So understand public relations, you understand image building, and then go and act. Then our image will increase, so that when we surveyed some time back, out of 10 people, only 2 people knew what is Rotary. Abhi now, out of 10 people, 4 people know what is Rotary. We must get to at least 6 people should know about Rotary in the entire world. Then only our efforts of image building, then only our efforts of public image, then only our efforts of branding, then only the wheel of Rotary will be remembered, that this wheel, when somebody sees, this wheel should indicate that we are members with service, we are members with integrity, we are members with internationality, we are members who like fellowship, and we are members who believes in the concept of universal brotherhood. So my friends, I encourage each one of you to be a soldier for public relations for Rotary. I once again thank my friend Kashim and all my friends here who have come here to participate in this interaction. I know this has been a little one-sided, but I encourage each one of you to ask questions. अभी कोई क्वेश्चन आप बात कर सकते हैं. मैं बोला मेरा लंबा सफर है, 40 साल का सफर है रोटरी में, और पब्लिक इमेज और ब्रांडिंग में मैं बहुत सारे किया. And I will tell you the secret of how to build a brand image and public image for Rotary. Thank you once again, Governor, and thank you all of you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir. It was really a great speech. Ma'am, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. And you have given us a mixed talk, and we like this. And thank you for explaining us the things. Now I will take some senior leader. I will take my trainer PDG Mir Arif Ali to say something, and then after one by one we'll go. And I have also my batchmates. I will come later on with them. Thank you very much, PDG Mir Arif Ali.
Assalamu alaikum, Rabi bhai.
Salam
Thank you very
alaikum.
much. It was a wonderful. Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you? It's nice to see you. Thank you for accepting our invitation to come to our district. I mean, obviously, your speech was very inspirational, and a lot of new ideas you gave us. जिसके अंदर मतलब बहुत सारे सस्ते idea भी थे, और बाकी तो routine के हैं जिसके अंदर people don't have to do much to do about. So our, Pakistan is not very big compared to your 160,000 Rotarians in India, but still we are doing our best, and especially in the last 2 years, तो काफी हम लोगों ने public image पे different avenues पे काम किया है. लेकिन एक सवाल मेरा है जो मैंने कई दफा institute पे भी और meetings पे when I've been abroad, I've been asking, why is it that we do not have a budget? Why the governor doesn't have a budget for public image, building the public image, like we have it for membership and everything. तो इसके अंदर हम लोगों को, क्योंकि कई क्लब्स होते हैं जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, और गवर्नर का बजट इतना नहीं होता कि वो इनको पब्लिक इमेज पे दे. पोलियो तो ठीक है, पोलियो इज अ सेपरेट where we get these pencils and t-shirts and to distribute for our thing, because we've had a lot of big functions here and a lot of rallies and everything on rickshaws and motorbikes and cycle races and all sorts of things we've been doing, and we propose to do a lot in the next year, because Governor Azim has planned a lot of events, which I don't want to spell out all, but just to make Rotary visible of helmets and all that, to be distributed to motorbike people, who can't afford helmets and all. Plus, I'll leave the rest to others to say it also, because there's a team of all of us who are sitting there who know what we plan to do in the next year, starting 1st July. तो ये जरा थोड़ा से इसका बोल सकते हैं आपके क्या नाम?
Yeah, भैया, thank you very much.
For public districts.
कितने कितने? Okay, sir. You can speak.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you very much,
Ciao.
Mir Bhaiya.
Tazim Saab,
Budget nahi hai because we don't have the money.
Director
Budget
Ravi.
hona hai. Budget nahi hai because money nahi hai. Rotary International में अभी membership is falling down. Our major resource is membership fees. So you know that membership has come down last year. इसलिए budget nahi hai. Remember 4 years back we had a budget of for public relation grants. When I came to Anthony's conference, there was a public relation grant था $20,000 का. अभी नहीं है क्योंकि we do not have that money. But we must have that kind of money. Hopefully we will have when some membership increases. If the membership increases to say 2 million or 3 million budget, they will just
Note कर this.
Because ये subject हमने कई दफा किया है, मतलब we've raised it and we never got a concrete answer to it, and though हम लोग अपने से raise करते हैं यहाँ पे, but still it is not enough to do it. So that is why
ऐसा नहीं है Rotary International. They are cutting down costs.
Put it up in the book.
Yeah,
and
we have cut down travel costs. We have sacrificed a lot of things.
Thank you, PDG Mir Arif Ali. I have another guest. PDG Sajid Parvez Bhatti will ask something. Our RP.
Hello, good evening, Ravi ji. How are you?
क्या है भैया कैसा है? Good to see you.
Thank you. As earlier Anthony said that a governor will never forget his conference, RPPR, and the other his governor here, president. And the same thing that in the life person, when he become a governor, he never forget that day. So it was the day when you are here and I got elected over there. So your presence was there, and I always remember you since last so many years, and will remember till end. So regarding public image, you said all the things which we have in our mind, and I think that there is nothing left which I can say over here, because I'm also doing the same things over here in Pakistan. In the Bodh district this year, I'm Assistant Rotary Public Image Coordinator for Pakistan. So my question is that the same thing which we have to membership and the foundation, it's interlinked with the public image. So if we have the best public image program, and our club can have showcase their projects and their activities. And moreover, I would like to say that a Rotarian is itself a Rotary public image, because what he is in his community or in his business or in profession, he looks a Rotary. So when you are in your community, you itself are a Rotary presenter. So I think we should exemplify ourselves like a Rotarian, and we should see like a Rotary. So our activities itself shows that Rotary is there. So this is the main public image, what you say, that individual can do everything. So thank you very much for your motivational speech today and guiding and telling us the story. And I think people still don't know about the Rotary in our communities, most of the areas. So in our district, we need to have open the new clubs, and I have discussion with my DGE Tazim that in next year we will take Rotary into those areas where we don't have Rotary clubs. This will also enhance the Rotary public image in our district and in Pakistan. So thank you very much, Raviji, for your
Thank you. Thank you.
giving your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, PDG Sajid Parvez Bhatti. I will now request our PDG Shahzad Ahmed to say something or ask something to our director. Please. Shahzad Ahmed.
Thank you, DG Tazim. And Ravi Bhai, first of all, I'd like to
How are you?
congratulate you on getting. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And I hope my sister Raji is also doing well.
He's doing well. You're growing your beard so much. Lockout ke liye.
Good. Yeah, so I'd like to congratulate you on getting the well-deserved recognition of becoming incoming RE director. And we still
Thank you.
fondly recall your and our sister Raji, who happens to be my batchmate, visit to Pakistan when you came as the RE president representative at PDG Anthony's conference. And we look forward to hosting you again sometime soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
You have done, yeah, and you have done a marvelous work on service projects in various areas, including literacy, health, and water and sanitation, etc., through numerous Rotary grants. And we would like to learn from your expertise, and we will be in touch with you in this regard.
Zarur, Zarur. Invite me whenever. I'll stay at your house for a week and then train all of you. Gloves
Sure.
hands ke liye.
That will be an honor for us.
Thank you, PDG Shahzad Ahmed. I will request now PDG Awais Kuari. He was here from District 327. PDG Awais Kuari. Maybe he's not here. I will ask PDG Salim Rao from District 3271. Please say something, sir.
Thank you very much, Nazim bhai. So nice of you. Greetings from District 3271, Pakistan. Ravi Saab, or congratulations on your directorship. First of all, really, it is very motivation speech from you. 2 ideas I have listened with you from first time, and very good message for us that all the Rotarians will give one message for Rotary in all the medias, all the public image, and also action all the individual Rotarian. That's very good idea. और ये चूंकि एक उसका दौर है तमाम सोशल मीडिया का, अगर हम सोशल मीडिया को हर रोटेरियन, आप सोचें कि अगर मिसाल के तौर पे 2500 रोटेरियन 3272 से हैं और 1500 रोटेरियन 3271 से, और इसी तरह पूरे पाकिस्तान ना सिर्फ पूरी दुनिया से एक मैसेज जाए, तो आप समझे 12 लाख मैसेज हर रोज जरूर जाएंगे और उससे बिल्कुल पब्लिक इमेज होगा। हम लोग हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कोशिश की हम हर साल कोशिश करते हैं कि मीडिया पर्सन को जो है अपने उसमें जरूर एक मीडिया कोऑर्डिनेटर रखें, और उससे होता सिर्फ ये है कि हमारी जितनी हम लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं तो वो हमारी पब्लिक में जा नहीं रहे होते, इंटरनेशनल लोगों में नहीं जा रहे होते, हमारे कंट्री में नहीं जा रहे होते। तो दैट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस कि हम उस मीडिया कोऑर्डिनेटर से तमाम मीडिया चैनल्स को इनवाइट करते हैं और उनसे हम उस प्रोग्राम को जो है वो तमाम रोटरी का उस प्रोग्राम को उस पर पब्लिक के लिए के लिए जा रहे हैं। इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आने वाले सालों में हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं साहिब के साथ, उनकी लीडरशिप में अच्छा बेहतरीन जो है एक कोऑर्डिनेशन रहेगा पूरे पाकिस्तान का, दोनों डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, और एक पब्लिक इमेज पे अच्छी चीजें जरूर हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू वेरी मच PDG सलीम राव। अपने हमारे डायरेक्टर से कुछ सवाल भी पूछे इस तरह के हमें कुछ पता चले। तो मैं नाउ आई इनवाइट प्रेसिडेंट रजा खुरसंद, ही इज द चेयर पब्लिक इमेज फॉर ईयर 19 and 20। रजा खुरसंद। Raza, your mic is not well. जी आप बोले अभी रजा भाई। अच्छा, आप अपना माइक सेट कर ले तो जब तक मैं आपको दोबारा वापस बुलाता हूँ। अब चेक करें माइक का आपका। ओके, नाउ आई इनवाइट महमूद खान, our public is okay. Meanwhile, जब तक इनका mic set होता है, I invite Waqar Sheikh from District 3271. Okay. Meanwhile, I welcome my GE, my batchmate from 3250, ready. Please come. DGE ready.
Hi.
Are you there?
Yeah, here only.
Okay. Welcome you. We welcome you in our district and say something.
Thank you, Tajim. Our big brother Vadamani Ravi has came to your district on public image. Really is a good image coordinator throughout World Rotary International. Because of India, Indian Times, that is a national newspaper, one article has came on Vadamani Ravi. That is a big man. He has given 1,25,000 school benches to schools in one district, 3150. That is our Ramata Reddy district. Always he will carry t-shirts, end polio t-shirt. Now I am wearing a red t-shirt. It is given by our brother. He came to Nandyal, he has given 2 t-shirts. Whenever I went to Guntur, he has given 2 t-shirts. That is a image to develop. This is the end polio now. Always he will carry t-shirts, so many in his suitcase. Whenever he come to Karachi and Lahore, you take from him. Thank you, Tajim, to invite me. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Chenappa. This was Chenappa from 3160. Okay, we come 3150. Ready from 3150.
And thank you, Azim Bhai. Hello.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Azim Bhai, and good evening to all galaxy of PDGs and all district team and president secretaries. My hearty congratulations to you all, and I think you all are safe, and you should take care, and you should stay at home first of all. And it's my privilege that our director nominee is from our district, and a true leader never create followers. A true leader create leaders, and he's the man who picked me from a rural club and made me as a leader here, as from my district 3150. It's my privilege, and I'm very happy to be here to address to my batchmates, Pakistan country, and I wish Tajim Bhai to be a great success governor in Pakistan, and I wish all president secretaries to be a great success, and all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my batchmate. This is good to have friends like that. So let me go back to past President Raza Khursan, our chair for public image.
Tajim Bhai, 2 more DGs are there.
Yes, I know.
I'll
take up.
Yes.
I'll take.
Okay, fine.
Past President Raza Khursan. Raza Khursan.
Yeah, Razak Bhaiya, bolo.
Ji, Raza. He's still okay. He has still a problem. I will take. Many people are raising hand. I will take one by one. So now I will take Mahmood Khan. Is our public. Mahmood is there. Is for public image chair for next year. Mahmood Khan.
Khan Bhaiya, bolo.
Everyone have problem. So I invite my friend from district 3240, Subhash, are you here, Subhash? Subhash Chatterjee.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I
Thank
hear
you.
you. Say something,
Thank you.
Subhash.
Thank you, Tajim, for your invitation to attend this meeting. Really, I enjoyed. I have not nothing to say because you have heard the leader, our incoming director, Ravi Vadlamani. Only one thing I can say, that whatever Ravi spoke, or rather whenever he speaks on Rotary, he read out the pages from the books of his life. What he practiced, he says to that. It is not that he only shares the bookish story or the bookish information. That is the best because he is the leader from the ground. And my friend Chinapa has just mentioned, whenever you are addressing Ravi or you would like to represent Ravi, I just let you know that Ravi Vadlamani in India also known as the benchman because he has given a 10,000 plus bench to the schools of southern part of the India. So Ravi is also known as a benchman. My all good luck and best wishes for Ravi Vadlamani and Raji for their upcoming assignments in RI. And in my next year, I eagerly look forward to get his guidance, blessings, and support. Thank you so much, Ravi Garu. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, my batchmate friend. I have another batchmate, Gajinder from 3040. If he's here, so maybe he's having another meeting. So I will go back to Raza Khursand. Is there yet? Mr. Raza Khursand, are you there still? Okay. He was very keen to talk on public image. So he's not there now. Okay. Raza बोलिए आप, आवाज अभी भी नहीं आ रही. No, we cannot listen to you. You have a problem with the net something. So now I will take okay, Mr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan would like to ask some question. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan.
Azim bhai, sabse pehle to, first of all, I should thank you. I am so grateful to you for having me as on this forum. Secondly, I would thank and I would appreciate what Mr. Ravi, he has told us, he has informed us about the public image of this Rotary. His talk was, it was so, rewarding and instructive for me that I'm really, I feel myself to be much enriched now about what Rotary has to, what we have to do as Rotarians to give public image, to improve the public image of Rotary. One thing which I would suggest, and what I had been suggesting to my club members is when I was the president, I told them that the day I became member of the Rotary Club, I became a part of a community of 1.3 or 4 million members the world over. And this institution or this club, it has given me a tremendous honor and image the world over. Wherever I go, when I went to America and I met Rotarians there, I was honored. When I went to UK, when I went to Europe, wherever I went, the Rotarians there, they gave me tremendous honor. So
okay,
a club, an institution which has given you such a tremendous, honor and prestige in the around the world. Now it is our duty. Now it it is my duty that what Rotary has given to me, I have to return to that, to Rotary. And that it is this if we have
Mumtaz
this
bhai,
spirit,
thoda
we
precise
can
kare because
give a lot to the Rotary and we can raise the image of the Rotary. Thank you so much.
thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Now I will take Raza again.
Ji, are you listening me?
Okay, now carry on.
Yeah. सुन रहा मैं, बोलो.
There was some interruption of audio from either side. And first from all, I really appreciate and acknowledge DG Tazim Ahmed and District Trainer PDG Mir Arif Ali for conducting this series of Zoom meetings for the last 20 days or more. And really, I appreciate you both. Also, I welcome RE Director nominee Ravi. You really enlightened us today with your motivational speech.
क्या भैया बोलो? I am able to hear.
Ji, are you listening me?
Yes, 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 yes. बोलो भैया. आप बात करो.
रजा भाई आ रही है आवाज?
आवाज तो हमारा दिल तक पहुंच रहा.
लगता है कि डीजी ताजीम साहब भी दाएं बाएं कहीं हो गए. रवि भी मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आवाज आ रही है?
जी आ रही है जी, बोले.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. रवि भाई आपको पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो डायरेक्टरशिप मिलने पर, और आपकी बातें सुनी, बड़ा मजा आया और बहुत आसान लफ्जों में आपने रोटरी इमेज के हवाले से, जो प्रमोशंस के हवाले से बताया. हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर ताजीम अहमद साहब और जो ट्रेनर हैं मीर आरिफ अली साहब के साथ मिलके हम काफी प्रोजेक्ट जो छोटे छोटे से कर रहे हैं. वो जैसे बताया आपको कि हेलमेट हम ब्रांड करके रोटरी के हवाले से वो यहाँ पर क्लब्स के थ्रू हम जो लोग हैं उनमें तकसीम भी कर रहे हैं और दे रहे हैं. इसी तरीके से हम मोटरसाइकिल को ब्रांडिंग के साथ रोटरी बाइक की तरह उसको हम दे रहे हैं. इसी तरह हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो रिक्शा है, वो भी हम आवाम की खिदमत के लिए समझें, वो भी हम ब्रांडिंग के साथ रोटरी की वो भी हम दे रहे हैं. मेरा ताल्लुक रोटरी क्लब लाहौर शमा से है और बेसिकली आई एम एडवर्टाइजर, और जर्नलिज्म से भी मेरा ताल्लुक है. उस हवाले से जो हम टीवी एक यूट्यूब चैनल भी यूट्यूब पाकिस्तान के नाम से हम इसमें बना चुके हैं, और चैनल्स के थ्रू भी हम और अखबारात के थ्रू हम इसकी प्रमोशंस जो हैं पब्लिक इमेज के लिए कर रहे होते हैं. फिर इसमें हमारे आगे कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. मैं आपसे रवि भाई एक सवाल करना चाहता हूं जो अक्सर दोस्त भी हमसे पूछते हैं. Can you please suggest a project which is not too expensive to finance but can give maximum mileage to Rotary?
Planting trees.
Ji, please. Can you please suggest a project which is not too expensive to finance but can give maximum mileage to Rotary?
Abhi you take a project, plant 1 million trees.
Okay.
You know, 1 million trees.
Okay.
So it's not very expensive. But बहुत सारे public, see, the secret is in the number. अभी एक if you plant 100 trees, वो publicity नहीं है. If you say we are planting 10 lakh trees, वो publicity होगा.
Okay.
Scale the project. Simple project है. So government say you can have partnership, but do it well and give it a publicity day. Let all the clubs plant trees on the same day.
That's great.
So एक ही दिन में करे तो we can do 10 lakhs.
Yes.
Then you will get publicity. Like that.
Thank you,
The secret is always in numbers. अभी एक बेंच दिया तो पब्लिसिटी नहीं है. 10,000 एक ही बार दिया तो पब्लिसिटी.
Okay. You can suggest.
Thank you very much. Okay, now I ask Mohit, District 3011. You want to ask something? Mohit.
Am I audible?
Thank you.
Yeah, Mohit. Go ahead.
Good evening, Raviji. First of all, congratulations for becoming RI Director nominee. My question to you is regarding your benches. You've been termed as a benchman of India. What exactly were the steps? I mean, the entire Rotary fraternity knows about this wonderful project of yours. What steps did you take to take it beyond Rotary, beyond the world of Rotary? And second thing, how did we make sure that your efforts were not duplicated by the schools who were already getting grants from somewhere else?
Abhi, first, of course, is the need assessment. Duplication won't have. Our volunteers go to the schools and verify whether those benches are there or not, whether the requirement is there or not. And the benches go to the schools. See, once we finish the function, the benches go to the schools, and there again our volunteers go and see whether they are in order or not. And I am ensuring that the benches are being used by requesting the Rotarians and volunteers to go on the date they gave the school benches as an anniversary. Every year they should go and ensure that they paint them and make a celebration. You know, like today we are celebrating Paul Harris' birthday. So they celebrate the bench giving day in those schools. So that way, from the last 15 years, I've ensured those school days are still being used. How we are finding the need, how I am taking it outside to the Rotary world, now I have branded it. I am calling it Save Our Schools and convert them to happy schools. So I'm trying to make this a movement, and I'm branding it, and I'm asking the civil society members to join us. So the movement is very simple, like your ice bucket challenge. It says, raise your hand to save our schools. So I'm asking every citizen of this country to raise his hand to save our schools. So that way I'm ensuring that the message is trying to reach out to non-Rotarians.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That does. Yeah.
Okay, Mohan, thank you very much. And I think it is good going. I have more friends for question and answer, but immediately when I will close it, so we have some Rotarians want to sing a song on the occasion of Paul Harris' birthday, 152nd birthday. So we have Abid Hashmi, he will sing a song. We have Asma Bukhari. We have Mumtaz Khan. He plays Bansuri, very nice. And we have Imran from Multan. Let everybody be prepared, and we will have birthday celebration, and then we'll sing a song. So with that, I will ask for the vote of thanks for final remarks from we have Dr. Noor to say something for closing remarks.
First of all, thank you very much, Ravi bhai. It's really nice. I still remember when you came in PDG and Scenes conference over here in Pakistan, एंड जैसे आपने बताया कि 1973 में आपने रायला को ज्वाइन किया और उसके बाद ये सफ़र जो है वो शुरू हुआ, तो इसी तरह से मेरा भी सफ़र 1982 से चला हुआ है, विच स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दारुस्सलाम क्लब रोटेक्ट का, वहाँ पे रोटेक्टर था, और फिर पाकिस्तान में आके रोटेक्ट में आया, पास DRR हूँ 88-89 से। सर जो मेजर चीज विच आई फील is there that as far as our visibility is concerned, आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है, उसमें शायद हम बहुत लैक कर गए हैं एज कंपेयर टू लॉयंस क्लब। लॉयंस क्लब, अब अगर हम पाकिस्तान की बात करें तो उनकी विजिबिलिटी, उनकी ब्रांडिंग, दे हैव गॉट मैनी सक्सेस स्टोरीज ओवर देयर। हमारे बहुत सारे रोटेरियन जो है दे आर टर्निंग इनटू लॉयंस क्लब एज वेल। तो मेरा एक तो ये छोटा सा सवाल था बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स, कि आप इसके बारे में हमें किस तरीके से इसको थोड़ा सा हम अपनी स्ट्रेटजीज को चेंज करें, तो वो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। Secondly, coming down to the vote of thanks, Tazim bhai, I'm really grateful. We are here for the last 19 days, और इन सारी मीटिंग्स में ताजीम साहब ने जिस तरीके से RI डायरेक्टर्स को बुलाया, who are there at the moment and who are going to be
vote
RI
of thanks.
director. So I am really grateful to you, sir, that you have turned up, and you have the way you have actually told many things for branding purposes. We are really obliged to you, and we are obliged to all international participants from India. Thank you very much.
I will ask District Secretary for year 2021, District Maru Arif Ali, please give the final remarks and vote of thanks. Maru Arif Ali. The final vote of thanks to our chief guest.
Assalamu alaikum ji. It has been wonderful to see you again, and I hope Bhabhi Jan is also fine. Do convey our regards to her. I would like to thank you officially, as Tazim bhai has put it, for taking out time, even in the Corona days. I'm sure you have a lot to do, and it has been inspiring. And you've given us certainly good ideas, and the youngsters who are planning the year on the forefront, I'm sure they have registered your points. And if there is anything further that they need, I'm sure you'll be able to assist them. And I really appreciate your accepting the invitation. And I wish you all the best for the incoming year. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. With that, formally we close our guest speaker meeting, and now we'll take national anthem for both countries, and then after that we'll have some we'll have a session of entertainment. You know, during the period of this lockdown, so we are full of rest. So after that we'll have entertainment, so songs, as I told you, and now you will listen. Our kids, they have prepared a national anthem for both countries. Thank you very much to all participants. This was just a sample. Our kids, they have managed the thing. So now it is a time for the celebration of our leader, Paul Harris' birthday. I need Director say something about Paul Harris' life and achievements. Sir. Ravi sir, I need you to say something about Paul Harris. You're listening me. Because today is the 152nd birthday of Paul Harris. So say something. We must know about it.
Yeah, well, all of us know he is the founder of Rotary, but when he started Rotary with 4 of his friends. We know that. But he also started for Rotary because he was lonely. He was lonely in the city of Chicago and he wanted to start a movement. But as he started, he founded the classification principle on which we must do networking for business. That was what history tells us. But I have read a memoir of Paul Harris where he says, when we started Rotary, we wanted to perhaps think of a universal brotherhood and a kind of a religion. So I always feel that Rotary is a religion. A Rotary is a religion started by Paul Harris, where we always talk about internationality, where we always talk about universal brotherhood. A great leader who has seen to it that the organization he planted grows into a huge tree. And I'm sure if he was alive today, he would have been very happy to say that Rotary, which he started, today is thriving with almost 1.2 million members. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And we are very happy that we are celebrating Paul Harris' birthday with a meeting with Pakistan. This can happen only in India, only in Rotary. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. So I will request Asma Bukhari if she is there. Asma, आप इधर हैं? ये आसमा कोई
नहीं अभी मैंने कहा ना अब्बा की बर्थडे की वजह से गए हैं
जी
दो चार दिनों का रेस्ट मिल गया
आवाज कम आ रही है आसमा
जी 3 बेटे और 1 बेटी है
ओके जी हमारे साथ अबद हाशमी आप कोई एक गाना जरा गाएं जिसके लिए जी आप
आजिम भाई आपको पता है कि कुछ म्यूजिक इश्यूज हैं सिग्नल्स का, इस वजह से विदाउट म्यूजिक सुना रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
कोई बात नहीं, कैरी ऑन।
ये शाम से तनी मदहोश किए जाए,
मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए बहुत जम करूं मुझे टोक देती है क्यों तेरी मीठी नजर मुझे रोक देती है क्यों तेरी हया तेरी शर्म तेरी कसम मेरे होठ सिए जाए शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए दूर रहती है क्यों मेरे पास आती नहीं होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं ऐसा लगे कि जैसे तू हंस के जहर कोई पिए जाए शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए थैंक यू
Thank you very much. Sir Ravi, this is only entertainment while we are here in lockdown. So thoda entertain ke liye, because every day we have meeting continuously. So some people they want to sing. All these are our Rotarians. So I will invite. This is for you, sir. I will invite Mumtaz Ahmed Khan. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan, आप बांसुरी बड़ी अच्छी बजाते हैं and I need your performance.
Okay.
जी sir.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together for every participant.
ये तालीम भाई ये मेरी हॉबी है you know I am basically a professional engineer. It is my
Sir, आप
pastime.
carry on करें जरा अब क्योंकि अभी रिकॉर्डिंग टाइम में थोड़ा वो हो रहा है.
जी मैं शुरू करूं?
जी
प्लीज मुमताज जी प्लीज.
ये मैं थोड़ा सा राग भोपाली का थोड़ा सा आलाप इसी राग के सुरों में एक लता जी की बहुत मशहूर गीत है वो आपकी खिदमत में पेश करूंगा.
जी सर. जिंदा है. ये तो बढ़िया. you very much, sir. Very nice. Very nice. चलें जी, अब हमारे पास जी DGE 3150 ready. You want to sing a song? I got your message.
Okay.
Carry on.
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, हर शाम आंखों पर तेरे आंचल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए, मैं सांस लेता हूँ तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है, मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। Thank you.
Very right, very right. Thank you. Zabardast. Now I request Asma Bukhari. Asma, सुन रही हैं आप?
जी 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 हाजिर जनाब।
जब अब आपकी बारी है और उसके बाद और भी दोस्त हैं।
ठीक है, आप सबकी इजाजत से जनाब, वही सावन भी तो जाए पेहरवा।
इजाजत इजाजत।
सावन भी तो जाए पेहरवा, सावन भी तो जाए पेहरवा, मन मेरा घबराए, मन मेरा घबराए, बोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेना, मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेना, ऐसो गए परदेस पिया तुम, ऐसो गए परदेस पिया तुम, चैन हमें नहीं आए, चैन हमें नहीं आए, मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेना, मैं लाख जतन कर हारी, लाख जतन कर हारे, मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेना, प्यार तुम्हें कितना करते हैं, प्यार तुम्हें कितना करते हैं, तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे, तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे, जब हम ना होंगे तो पेहरवा, जब हम ना होंगे तो पेहरवा, बोलो क्या तब आओगे, कब आओगे मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेना, मैं लाख जतन कर हारी, लाख जतन कर हार रहे मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना, मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना। Thank you.
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त, मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना। बहुत अच्छा आपने कहा। ये सारा आज सेलिब्रेशन है हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब के लिए। तो अब ये बिफोर वी फिनिश, इमरान मलिक फ्रॉम मुल्तान, इमरान का सुनेंगे, फिर उसके बाद क्लोजिंग रिमार्क। इमरान मलिक फ्रॉम मुल्तान। तो सर ये आपकी ऑनर के लिए है, हम लोग इसको सेलिब्रेट अपनी हर मीटिंग में इसी तरह ही करते हैं। दिस इज आवर 18th मीटिंग और कल टुमारो वी हैव मुशायरा। You hear me, sir? Tomorrow we have mushaira. So many Rotarians, they celebrate the things, songs and mushaira, shairi and this and so Malik Imran जी here. Okay जी, इमरान बोले।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सब दोस्तों को सलाम
जी, वालेकुम सलाम।
जिन्होंने गाना गाया बड़ा जबरदस्त, बड़ा मजा आया और ये सेशन चलता ही रहना चाहिए। ताज़ीम साहब
जी जल्दी बोले जरा।
अच्छा जी सर, मैं सुना देता हूँ।
आपकी मलक आवाज कम आ रही है, आप माइक नजदीक रखें।
सर माइक नजदीक ही है।
अब सही है, और नजदीक हो जाए। आप तो पहले तैयारी करके रखा करें ना।
सॉरी सर
जी प्लीज।
तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, ये माना के महफिल जवां है, हंसी है। तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, ये माना के महफिल जवां है, हंसी है। तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, निगाहों में तू है, ये दिल झूमता है, निगाहों में तू है। न जाने मोहब्बत की राहों में क्या है, न जाने मोहब्बत की राहों में क्या है, राहों में क्या है। ये दिल बदगुमा है, नजर को यकीन है, ये दिल बदगुमा है, नजर को यकीन है, ये माना के महफिल जवां है, हंसी है। तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है। सर एक छोटा सा किशोर साहब का।
बस वेरी गुड जी। क्लोज करें आप लोग।
जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, बड़ी मुश्किलों से संभलता है दिल, क्या क्या जतन करते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता।
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त सर, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। आप सब लोगों ने एंजॉय किया होगा। जी इमरान, थैंक यू वेरी मच। बिफोर गोइंग मेरे thank you जी। If Subhash is there, he's a good singer also. DGE Subhash, you're there?
अरे ताजिम भाई,
जी
कल मुशारा में मैं गाना गाऊंगा।
अच्छा, मुशारा में गाना गाएंगे और गाने में मुशारा गाएंगे आप?
वही तो बात है, तभी आदमी याद रखेगा ना कि मुशारा में एक बंदा आया था गाना गाया।
चले अब मेरे बैचमेट ने गाना गाया और अब मैं भी एक गाऊंगा, तो
चलो आपका सुनते हैं।
फ्यू वर्ड।
श्योर।
Because leader lead with example. Okay sir. प्यार भरे दो शर्मीले नैन, जिनसे मिला मेरे दिल को चैन, कोई जाने ना मुझसे शर्माए, ऐसे मुझे तड़पाए, प्यार भरे दो शर्मीले नैन। This is only trailer song from me. So thank you so very much. और मैं चाहूंगा हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब अगर कुछ गाना चाहें तो सर यू आर वेलकम।
मैं भी मुशारे को आके एक शायरी बोलता हूँ।
जी सर, थैंक यू। इरशाद
थैंक यू भैया।
तो विद दैट जी 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 बोले। जी रवि सर, शेर बोलिए आप।
या भाई, कल आपका मुशायरे में आके शायर सुनाऊंगा।
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। So with that, I thank you everyone. We had a nice meeting, and all the friends, they can join every day, same time, same place, same ID. Tomorrow we have Trustee Ghulam Banbati, and after that we'll have Mushaira. So anybody can come and join us. This is an educational program, and as well as to entertainment for our Rotarians, just to sit down and to think about the good work we do in the world. So thank you so very much for this nice meeting, Director Saab. Thank you for, and all my batchmates and all friends from India and different parts of the India and other clubs. Thank you very much for having that nice meeting.